right. Welcome, everyone. I have an announcement to make, and I'm really excited to make this announcement. Tomorrow, Monday, the 19th of December, and whenever you're watching this, at least you have some context for when this happened, when this birth happened. The doors are opening of the Evolving Sisters Network. Yeah, can I get a shout out? So what is the network? This is totally new. And I've got a lot of questions from people asking me, what is the network? What's the difference with Rise, the leadership incubator and apprenticeship? And so I wanted to make a video and share with you a little more about what I'm envisioning, what is happening. It's more than a vision. It's actually a manifestation of a vision. And this is something for all of us to witness. It's really important to witness in each other the manifestation of these visions. The first step is having the vision, and then it's like you have this vision for this house, and then you go to the architect and you explain your vision and you share your vision, and that architect puts that vision to paper, but it's still not a house. Somebody has to build it. And then when someone builds it, someone has to go inside and pick the paint colors. and then someone has to paint the wall. And then you got to invite friends over, because it's not really a home until someone lives there. And then people come. And that's really what's happening now. We're at the stage on Monday, tomorrow, and by the time people watch this on the replay, it will be open. evolvingsisters.com is the place of the platform, this membership portal for all of us to gather in sacred community, to heal, to grow, to evolve, to rise, to lead. This is our place. You know, I was talking to a friend of mine a few days ago who's been involved in all of my circles, and she's like, I'm lost without a women's group, a women's circle, a sisterhood. She's up to really big things in the world, and she needs the support of all of us. So let me tell you a little bit about what this Evolving Sisters leadership portal and the portal itself are all about. There's two things. So first of all, we have the platform, the network. It's a membership network. And that network will have inside of it, after these Dharma talks, we're going to start with the Sunday integration calls. So on Sunday, after Dharma talks, starting in January, we're going to do the Walking the Razor's Edge integration calls. Those will be free to members, and then we'll offer other people an opportunity to join. But I'm going to tell you, it's going to be more than membership, because we're designing the cost structure so that members get a lot of value. And then we're going to add courses, we're going to add opportunities, classes, sessions on top of that as we grow. One of the first things we get to add is some movement. I've heard you, I put a poll up in my Facebook group, and now called the Evolving Sisters Network. And people told me they want movement, and I was thinking the same thing. So I'm really excited. We'd like to do things from yoga to dance, guided visualizations. I know those are not movement, but they're movement in our imagination. And also some meditation, some astrology, just daily and weekly things that you can drop in for. And then on a monthly basis, I'll kick off January with my offering of a laser coaching session, and that will be with me and coaches. And I'm really excited because that will have breakout sessions. One of my main goals is for sisters to be talking to each other. What I found over working with women since really 2022 years is that people might be shy to introduce themselves and talk about themselves. But once that barrier is broken, women find the most value in their connection with each other. And we support you by giving you a process in how to connect with each other that's really transformative and really uplifting. So that will be inside of what I'm calling the Evolving Sisters Network, and that is evolvingsisters.com. Now, what's to come inside the network is something super, super juicy. I mean, we get to do all kinds of things like having master classes, courses, even someday a certified curriculum. There's just so much potential, but I can't do it all. And I don't want to do it all because this isn't about me, it's about we. So inside of the Evolving Sisters Network will be a very special group of women who are called, it's application only, and I'm accepting pre-applications right now, called the Rise Leadership Incubator and Apprenticeship. I'm so excited about it because this will be our like inner sanctum. You know how I had the inner circle with the divine feminine inner circle? This is like the inner sanctum, the holy of holies, where these women will go on a leadership journey to really unbecome the person they were, to become someone who steps fully into their leadership, their power, their soft power. Because power for the feminine is integrated. It's got masculine distinctions, but it's also soft. It doesn't need to be hard. And they'll also be fully accessed to their voice. And they will know the thing. By the end of that leadership incubator, they'll have the apprenticeship, and the apprenticeship then takes who they're becoming and what gifts they have to offer and starts to package it and curate it for the women inside of the Evolving Sisters Network. Some of that will be discounted, some of that will be free, some of that will cost something. They'll have different price structures. So whoever you are inside of the Evolving Sisters Network, you can pay for what you can pay for, what you can afford. And hopefully what we really want to do inside the network is expand each woman's level of abundance. Because as we go into the future, our power, our world power is going to be connected with so many things, including our level of abundance. I can say more on that later. And the FAQ section of the website, which will be up tomorrow and ready for you to look at and ready for you to join, will have some of the information on how women can start to make money inside of the Evolving Sisters Network. Not start, because that will be something that unfolds. I want to say that the last thing I want to say is that we will be offering memberships at the founders level. So this is founders level membership. We're going to only offer that for a time, and then it will go away. And of course, it will be a price increase, and there will be no more founders, because the founders are the founders, and that's what's happening now. So that will be $22 a month. And guess what? I'm super excited. My team is awesome. They came up with this idea to lock in that price for as long as you are a member. If you ever stop your membership, then you can't get founders pricing again. So it's for those people who are committed. We really want you inside the network. It's kind of like when I build that house. Do I want you to stand outside the house? No, I want you to come in. And I want you to have the meal and look at the buffet and pick the things that you want. That's what the Evolving Sisters Network at $22 a month will enable you to do. And for the founders, we're offering it at $22 because we're just starting. We're just launching. We're just a baby. The house is new. It doesn't have all the furnishings yet, but it will. And for those of you who have been on this journey with me, who believe in this vision, who see what I'm pointing to, you too will be able to get that founders level membership at just $22 a month. That's US. And grow with us. It's going to be epic. The things that are coming through, and I'm going to talk about that with my Gene Key transmission, because the things that are coming through are just amazing. And we get to build it brick by brick, right? We don't, they say Rome wasn't built in a day, and nothing of value is built in a day. This has taken so much brick by brick and so many people to get it to this place where we can at least open the doors and receive your Shakti. Because after all, this is a co-created venture. This is where you get to bring your energy and you get to receive. And then ultimately, if you feel called, you get to give through the Rise Leadership Incubator and Apprenticeship. And those folks will be able to give offerings inside the network, because we're done with the paradigm of top down. This is grassroots. This is sourcing your talent, your genius. That's what Rise is all about. And the network serves as the structure for which you get to give it. So I've been sending out some emails. If you've missed them, just drop me a note in the comments that you'd like me to send you the emails to learn more about it. And then I'll get you on the email list, because that's kind of the main point. This here I'm dropping in with you on these lives, but the main point of getting the details is often through email. And I'm trying to post as much as I can inside of this group, but emails are mechanisms. So if you're not on my email list, and I know there are many of you in the Facebook group who are not, I really encourage you to get on it. And if you're following me on YouTube, just drop your email in the comments, or you can specifically go to evolvingsisters.com starting on Monday the 19th, and you can give your email there. You can get our newsletter for free. You can get a PDF. It's called The Moon and You. And we're going to give that to all members. And we're also going to give the video series that goes with it to all members. It's a beautiful gift about following the moon. And that's really activating feminine leadership in 2023. So that's our free gift for those of you who join. And also you can just do that only and get on our mailing list. But reach out somehow to get on the mailing list if you're not, so that you get these announcements right when I make them. All right, I'm going to end here and keep this in the feed and also on the YouTube feed. And then I'm going to pop in a few minutes and start the Dharma talk. I'm really excited to be with you today and to make this announcement about what's coming tomorrow, Monday, the 19th of December, my birthday. The temple doors are open. Come on in and let's start having our beautiful buffet and mingling with each other and seeing who's here and growing from here. Something that's truly evolutionary, revolutionary for women in future generations. This is going to outlast all of us. So let's just imagine that we're planting the seeds. We're planting the seeds for the future women. We're healing ourselves as we do it. And we're also thinking about the women who will come after us, who will inherit this world. They will inherit this platform as a way to support them in the world. That's my big vision. All right. Thank you. Let me know what you think. I'll see you inside the Evolving Sisters Network at evolvingsisters.com. Love you. Love you. Thank you.